How many people are shopping? Okay, so you have two articles of clothing. The first article of clothing, the price is right. You go into the dressing room, you try it on, it fits, it looks good, you're good to go, the price is right, and it fits you and you like it. How long does it take you to decide you're going to get it? Who says right away? Who says a minute? Who says longer? Wait, Grace, hold on a second. Do you mean that there are people in here that have different opinions than other people? How many people have opinions? Raise your hand. And you know your opinions are right? And then you meet other people that have the nerve and the audacity to think that their opinions are right? How many of you spend more than 1 minute of your life trying to convince another human being that their opinion in their mind is different and they should change their opinion so that they take on your opinions? Anybody ever take a minute in their life, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, a whole marriage? Little touchy. So listen, ready? Everyone repeat after me. Let's agree to disagree. Boom, done. You go on with your day.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.